dead. Everybody chill out. Oh, that's a kill right there. Hey! Wait, we're back.
No, now she's turning the fuck up now.
We gotta get.
I'm turning the freak up.
We gotta come up with new plays and shit.
Wait, we can just destroy the door, like argue, and then like just stay market, and then shoot off the trips.
Zero TP's here.
Where?
Right here.
Yeah, he's a fag.
Alright. Activate the door though. Like no goody shit. Hurry.
I can't. It's like it's literally. So,
Yeah, we're done. Yeah, you just close door me. I can help you now.
No, he's 120 and he peeks again, bro. He's so ass. He peeks again. Oh my god, he's 120. Who the fuck peeks again?
Wait, Cypher's 120? Who's 120?
Jet is 120. Jet's 120.
Wait, do I speed out this or no?
Yes.
I'm gonna wait for Cat. I'm gonna wait for contact on Cat. Do you see anyone?
Yeah.
They're going to hit.
No way, bro.
Caught.
Just one HP. Late. No, that was actually the perfect play by them. Holy crowd.
Match point. I have the spike. Ten seconds left.
Anyone have any speeds?
What the
I may have down
fuck
my
is that?
fingers.
Multiple.
Dodge roll.
Bro.
That's how you survive.
Okay, fucking fuck.
Drop in smoke.
No distraction. Seek them out. Placing sentry.
Nowhere to run!
Target down. My flawless. They want to dance? I'll lead.
That was a great flank by me, dead ass. So good. Dead, just saw your story. What is
I have the spike. Ten seconds left.
Anyone have any speeds?
What the
I may have down
fuck
my
is that?
fingers.
Multiple.
Dodge roll.
Bro.
That's how you survive.
Okay, fucking fuck.
Drop in smoke.
No distraction. Seek them out.
They want to dance? I'll lead.
That was a great flank by me, dead ass. So good. Dead, just saw your story. What is my... Yeah, it's over with. I'm fucking up now. It's fucking over with.
Well, no, if they had spoken it, I didn't know.
So they basically like 100% good.
Can't activate the door for like 5 seconds, I think. I'm pretty sure. Might be getting around.
Someone dead, one two. Oh, me bitch.
Drop in a smoke.
One
40,
140 jet.
40 jet. I don't like that leaving.
I'm gonna force her with the.
Game push.
I know it.
No charges left.
One gen, two gen, both
30
gen. One
seconds
equal, one
left.
gen.
One enemy remaining.
Jan must guy, Jan must guy.
Spike planted.
Wait, we're back.
Nice, nice.
Thanks.
Shield bubble. Fortnite shield bubble.
Put the op down?
Ready to support your wings.
Yeah, it's over with. I'm fucking up now. It's fucking over with.
Well, no, if they had spoken it, I didn't know.
So they basically like 100% good.
Can't activate the door